What have we learned?
We learned about 8 countries.
What country?
England, Turkey,
Lithuania,
Holland, Italy, Greece, Poland, Czech Republic,
Hello. These 2 years, while our school was participating in Project We Europeans, were very important, interesting, full of impressions and full of knowledges, and of course it was a new experience for us, for our school. The project touched the whole community of the school, students and their parents, teachers. All of us got a lot of knowledges about other countries, customs, their culture and traditions. We had the opportunity to visit project countries, introduce our country to the guests, and for students it was possibility to improve their English skills, to become more tolerant and to find friends all over the Europe.
I had the chance to improve my English and be happy visit Poland.
I met new friends.
I had chance to communicate with children from England and Poland.
I enjoyed our trip to Holland very much.
The best thing was to see our partners in our school. I'm happy because I'm going to England.
I am forward to going completely England.
I learned new English words.
We Europeans!
The most interesting activity was video conference via Skype. I learned about our countries and some famous places.
We made a lot of interesting works, drawings, booklets, ID cards and leaflets of my country, city and my family. I also enjoyed traveling to Holland and communicating with the Holland children.
tolerance, project, friendship. We had a wonderful time. Best wishes for your future.
Labai džiaugiuosi, kad mūsų mokykla dalyvavo šiame projekte. Aišku, ir gailiuosi, kad tas projektas jau baigėsi. Šiaip buvo labai turtinga patirtis. Patirtis naujų įspūdžių, naujų veiklų. Visų pirma, naudinga buvo labai pažintinė prasme, nes buvo galimybė pamatyti daugelio šalių gyvenimą tiesiogiai, žinoma, nedaug žmonių, bet teko. Šitas projektas, galima sakyti, pakėlė mokyklos prestižą bendruomenės akyse. Labai daug emocinių įspūdžių patyrėme, tiek mokiniai, tiek mokytojai. Ir žinoma, šitas projektas tai buvo be galo geras metodas ugdyti kultūriniai kompetencijai, bendradarbiavimo kompetencijai, kalbiniai kompetencijai. Iš tikrųjų labai džiaugiuosi, kad šitame projekte buvome.